Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a USA study visa at home. First, you need to gain acceptance from a student and exchange visitor program approved school. Once accepted, the school will issue you a Form I-20. This crucial document confirms your enrollment. Next, pay the SEVIS I-901 fee, which is currently $350. This fee registers you in the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. Keep all receipts and documents organized for your application. After paying your SEVIS fee, complete the DS-160, the online non-immigrant visa application. Be very thorough and accurate with all information. You will also need to pay the non-refundable visa application fee, which is typically $185. Make sure to print the confirmation page of your DS-160. This page is essential for your upcoming visa interview appointment. Double-check all details before submission. With your application submitted and fees paid, it's time to schedule your visa interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. This is a critical step. Gather all necessary documents, including your valid passport, your Form I-20, and financial evidence. Be ready to clearly articulate your academic goals and demonstrate strong ties to your home country. Practice answering common interview questions confidently. On the day of your interview, arrive on time with all your documents neatly organized. Present them clearly to the consular officer and answer all questions honestly and concisely. After your interview, you will await the decision on your visa application. If approved, you'll receive instructions on how to get your passport back with your new visa. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you prepare for your new adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.